Hey everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your payment method for YouTube Premium. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so first open your YouTube app and go to your account page. Alright, after that, tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Next, tap on purchase and membership from the list of options. Alright, then select YouTube Premium from your active subscription. After that, tap on Manage. This will take you to the screen or Google Play where you can view and manage your current payment option. Alright, to update your payment method, you can choose an existing one or add a new one. Alright, just follow the prompts to enter your new payment details and make sure everything is correct. Once you have updated your payment method, it will automatically be used for your future YouTube Premium billing cycle. Alright? And that's it. Now you know how to update your payment method for YouTube Premium. I hope this video helps you manage your subscription smoothly. Thanks for watching and take care.